In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Coursera course. If you've enrolled in a class and it no longer fits your plans, the process to remove it from your dashboard is straightforward. And I'll walk you through exactly what to expect and a few important caveats. Start on your My Learning page. This is where all your active courses live. Locate the course you want to leave. You'll see it as a card in your list. On that course card, look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click that, then choose Unenroll. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to unenroll. Go ahead and confirm, and the course should disappear from your active learning list. That's the entire action for most enrollments, and it typically works the same way whether you're on a desktop browser or the mobile site. This simple method is most reliable for free or audit enrollments, where you're not pursuing a paid certificate. In those cases, unenrolling just cleans up your dashboard and stops course-related reminders. If you change your mind later, you can usually re-enroll without any issue. If your enrollment includes payment, a certificate track, or financial aid, there are stricter rules. You might not see the unenroll option on the three dots menu, or it may be limited. That's normal. Policies for paid courses, specializations, professional certificates, or degree programs can restrict self-serve unenrollment, especially after certain milestones or deadlines. If the option is missing or grayed out, the next step is to contact support through Coursera's Help Center. Let them know which course you want to leave and that the unenroll button isn't available. They can review your situation, explain your options, and help with any changes that aren't available directly in your account. Interface updates can occasionally change where the menu appears or how the confirmation looks, but the flow is the same. Open My Learning, find the course, use the three dots, select Unenroll, and confirm. After you do this, refresh the page to make sure the course is gone from your active list. If it still appears, sign out and back in, or try another browser, then check again. That's all you need to know to unenroll quickly and confidently. Keep it simple for audit courses and reach out to support if you're on a paid track and don't see the option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your learning dashboard organized and focused on what matters most to you.